The rise of hybrid cars, bridging the gap between gasoline and electric power. As the world moves toward cleaner and more efficient modes of transportation, hybrid cars have become the perfect bridge between traditional gasoline vehicles and fully electric ones. They offer better fuel efficiency, lower emissions, and advanced technology, making them an ideal choice for drivers who want to go green without worrying about charging stations. In this video, we'll explore what hybrid cars are, how they work, their benefits, and why they represent an important step toward a sustainable automotive future. A hybrid car combines two power sources, a gasoline engine and an electric motor. The vehicle can switch between these two systems or use both simultaneously to achieve maximum efficiency. The goal is to reduce fuel consumption and carbon emissions while maintaining the convenience and range of traditional vehicles. There are three main types of hybrid vehicles. Mild hybrids use an electric motor to assist the gasoline engine, but cannot drive using electricity alone. Full hybrids can drive on the electric motor alone for short distances or use both systems together. Plug-in hybrids, PHEVs, have larger batteries that can be recharged using an external power source, allowing longer all-electric driving ranges. Hybrid cars are the perfect balance between gasoline reliability and electric efficiency. The hybrid system uses advanced technology to seamlessly manage power flow between the gasoline engine and the electric motor. Here's how it works. At low speeds, the car runs primarily on the electric motor, using energy stored in the battery. During acceleration, the gasoline engine activates to provide extra power, assisted by the electric motor. At high speeds, the car mainly relies on the gasoline engine for sustained power. Regenerative braking. When the driver brakes, the electric motor acts as a generator, capturing energy and sending it back to recharge the battery. This system allows hybrid cars to deliver excellent fuel economy and reduced emissions, especially in city driving where stop-and-go traffic enables frequent, regenerative braking. Hybrid technology intelligently blends two power sources for efficiency, performance, and lower fuel use. Hybrid cars contribute significantly to environmental protection. Their key benefits include reduced emissions. Hybrid cars emit 25 to 35% less CO2 than traditional vehicles, helping fight climate change. Better fuel efficiency. Using both electric and gasoline power, hybrids consume less fuel, reducing dependency on fossil fuels. Lower air pollution. With fewer exhaust emissions, hybrids help reduce urban air pollution and improve air quality. Noise reduction. Electric motors run quietly, especially during low-speed driving, minimizing noise pollution in crowded cities. By cutting emissions and fuel use, hybrid cars are paving the way for a cleaner, greener planet. Many automakers have embraced hybrid technology and developed models that combine efficiency, performance, and comfort. Here are some standout examples. Toyota Prius, the pioneer of hybrid cars, known for its fuel efficiency and reliability. The Prius can achieve up to 56 mph, making it one of the most economical cars on the road. Honda Accord Hybrid combines a 2.0L engine with an electric motor, offering both power and efficiency. It's popular for its smooth ride and advanced technology. Ford Escape Hybrid, a compact SUV that provides excellent fuel economy without sacrificing interior space or performance. Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid, known for its aerodynamic design, high mileage, and environmentally friendly materials used in production. From sedans like the Prius to SUVs like the Ford Escape Hybrid, these cars prove that sustainability can go hand in hand with performance. Regenerative braking captures energy lost during braking and stores it in the battery. The start-stop system automatically shuts off the gasoline engine when the car is idle and restarts it when needed, saving fuel. Smart energy management uses sensors to monitor conditions and decide when to use electric or gasoline power for maximum efficiency. Hybrid cars often use aluminum and carbon fiber components to reduce weight and improve fuel economy. With regenerative braking and smart energy systems, hybrid cars use cutting-edge technology to optimize every drop of fuel and every watt of electricity. Owning a hybrid car isn't just good for the planet, it's good for your wallet too. Hybrids use less gasoline, reducing long-term fuel expenses. Fewer engine parts and regenerative braking mean fewer repairs and longer component life. Many countries offer tax credits, discounts, or reduced registration fees for hybrid owners. Because of rising demand, hybrids often retain more of their value than traditional cars. Hybrid vehicles make economic sense, saving money while supporting sustainability. As technology evolves, hybrid cars are becoming even more advanced. Manufacturers are focusing on future hybrids will travel longer distances on electric power alone. Next-generation solid-state batteries will increase energy storage and reduce charging times. Plug-in hybrids can use solar or wind energy for cleaner charging. Hybrid systems will connect to apps that analyze driving habits, optimize energy use, and locate nearby charging stations. Hybrid cars will likely remain popular for years to come, serving as the transitional step toward fully electric mobility, especially in regions where charging infrastructure is still developing. The future of hybrid technology promises cleaner, smarter, and more efficient cars for everyone. Hybrid cars represent a critical milestone in the global shift towards sustainable transportation. They combine the convenience of gasoline with the efficiency of electric power, making them an ideal choice for the present and a bridge to a greener future. Whether you're driving a compact sedan or a family SUV, choosing a hybrid means taking a conscious step toward protecting the planet, saving fuel, and embracing innovation. Hybrid cars aren't just vehicles, they're the future of smart, sustainable driving.